All right, guys, good morning. These are today's football predictions. A total of 14 matches, 112 odds. Let's get started. The first game we have here is in Turkey, where BB but Ramspor is taking on Fenerbahce Istanbul over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Irani Modin taking on FC Jerusalem. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. You find this game in Israel Premier League. The next one we have is still in Israel, where Maccabi is taking on well Hezelia. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. Moving on, we have another game here in Uzbekistan, where Kosilum is taking on FK AGM, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in Turkey, where Boluspor is taking on Badi Maspor. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in Ukraine, where LNZ Cheskasi is taking on FC Police. Yeah, my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Moving on, we have a game in Uganda, where Kampala Capital is taking on um, So, Tilo Brightstar, my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Northern Ireland, where Sligo River is taking on Selborne, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Still in that Northern Ireland, Cork City is taking on Dogreda United, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in that same league, we have a game between Bohemian Dublin taking on Galway United, over 1.5 goals. Athlone Town taking on Fine Hub over 1.5 goals. We move on to Egypt Premier League, where Pyramid FC is taking on National Bank of Egypt over 1.5 goals. Then the next one we have is a game in French National, where FC Lyon is taking on Dijon, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and get 5 to 50 odds every day, and also show premium to us, kindly chat me up on WhatsApp. I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Moving on, the last game we have is still in that French league, where FC Versailles is taking on FC, well, friends, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 112, also almost 113 us. So here is the booking code for this game. I always advise to bet responsibly, and I will see you guys after the game. Do not forget to hit the like button and share this game with your friends. And if you have any comment, drop it in the comment section. And if you also have your own prediction, kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you.